This is my tutorial for a New Year's themed tumbler design using the PDB Glitter Pack 63 that I helped curate. I have already sanded my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and Krylon spray paint in white. Now I'm ready to apply my base glitters. Now, if you're wondering, this design is looking a tad similar to the Merry and Bright design I made a couple of weeks ago, and you would be right. I had several people mention they would love to see the design in blue, and the glitter pack that just came out, the colors are they're perfect. I didn't want to do the same exact design, so I decided to stick with the theme of the glitters, which was New Year's / winter, so I went that route. Let your glitter layer cure, then seal with a coat of epoxy. Then we'll be ready to add our star stencils. To figure out how wide to make the stencils, I measured around my tumbler using measuring tape and it came to around 9.75 inches around. So I set my decal to 9.25 inches to give myself some extra space or just some leeway between the stars. The stars and the decal are available in my Etsy shop if you're interested. For this design, I wanted to create a New Year's themed design, but have it fit for any year. So I didn't want it to specify a year on the tumbler, so you're like walking around with a cup that says New Year's 2023 on it. Because when year 2024 comes around or 2025 comes around, it wouldn't really look right. So we want to keep these tumblers as long as possible because they're expensive. We all know they're expensive. So I decided to go a more neutral route, so hopefully it will still give off a New Year's vibe. Once your paint is dry, we're now ready to apply our glitter using the tack-it method. Once again, I will be using Southern Belle Glitter's foil glue for my adhesive instead of, the actual tack-it because, like I said, tack-it hates me. So usually I use a glue gun to find my stencils under the glitter, but with the tack-it method, you can see the outline of the stencils after the glitter has been flattened. After I pulled my stencil, I sealed my glitter with Krylon Triple Thick, and now I'm ready to apply my epoxy layer, as well as some extra sparkle. Okay, so the look I was going for is like fireworks and the sparks raining down over the stars. I went a little crazy with the tumbler on the right, so I decided to be a tad more conservative with this one. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our decal. To make sure I don't get any dimples on my epoxy, I'll be using Quick Coat on top of my vinyl just to get a nice smooth finish. Now, we're supposed to be sparkly, y'all. So because we're extra around here and it's been a while since I whipped out my rhinestones, this was the perfect opportunity. You do not have to do this, fam. and can totally skip this step, but I've applied my last coat of epoxy. Last coat. This is the last coat. Did I say last coat? It's the last coat. And it's been spinning for about 4 hours in my cold house. If your house is warmer, you may only need about 3 hours or so. I'll be adding the rhinestones right into the setting epoxy, so I won't be needing any glue. Just be sure you're doing this on your last coat. Last coat. Last. The last one. Like, no more after this. You do not want to epoxy over the rhinestones or you'll lose all of that gorgeous sparkle. After my tumbler was all cured, I had to take it outside in my backyard. That's where the sun shines the best. And look how sparkly it is. Oh my word, you guys. I absolutely love it. The rhinestones and the glitter, so much sparkle. It's absolutely beautiful and I love the colors. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your New Year's themed tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.